Klarna is a buy now, pay later service, but if you don't do the pay part, things can quickly spiral out of control. So what should you do if you find yourself in debt with Klarna? First things first, before you pay any Klarna debt collection agency, you should check that the debt is yours. If it is, you need to discuss repayment options with the agency as soon as possible. Don't ignore any correspondence from them, as it's best to deal with the overdue payment as soon as you can. Klarna may not charge late fees, but they do use debt collectors to recover outstanding amounts. If you miss scheduled payments on a regular basis, get ready for a debt collector to give you a call. One of the first things that might happen is that you won't be able to use any Klarna services anymore. Then a debt collection agency will try to recover the amount you owe. Plus, if you've used Klarna financing and missed payments, a credit reference agency can be told, which could harm your credit history and your ability to borrow more money. When you don't pay Klarna by the last reminder they send out, the outstanding goes for debt collection. You're sent plenty of payment reminders, and it's best to respond. Ignoring them does not make the debt go away. You have several options when a debt collector gets in touch with you. You could pay the amount you owe to Klarna or settle the amount with a debt collection agency. It's good to be transparent with the debt collector. Tell them if you're struggling with money. Explain your situation without being over the top. You may find the debt collector is more sympathetic to your situation when you are honest with them. They may even give you a little extra time to help you pay. To avoid a Klarna debt collection, you can hit the snooze button on a Klarna payment, but only before the due date. It will give you an extra 10 days to find the funds to pay what you owe. Note that you can only snooze each order once on a pay later plan. You can't snooze the Klarna financing payment option. Also, you can't pay using a prepaid card. Klarna only accepts major debit and credit cards. Moreover, you can't cancel a payment during the payment process. If after you hit the snooze button you need more time, contact Klarna as soon as possible. Their support team may be able to help and offer more time to pay. Not guaranteed though, but it's always worthwhile trying. If you're struggling for cash, contact Klarna. They could set up a management repayment schedule for you, one that you can afford to pay. If you're struggling with debt and Klarna debt is just one of several debts you have, then there are a number of other options available here in the UK. Some are free to use and others include fees, and each will have their own pros and cons. If you want to learn more about the solutions available, then we've created a really great form that you might be interested in checking out. Click the link in the description to get started and answer a few multiple choice questions like the total amount of debt, how many people you owe, your living situation, and we'll connect you with one of our trusted partners so that you can find out more and take steps towards improving your financial situation.